International investors are keen on Italian companies. Around 115 inbound M&A deals were finalized during the first semester of 2017 for a total value of 33 billion euro, 18 billion more than the same period in 2016. Italy is at the center of the EMEA market, an area with approximately 800 million relatively high-income consumers. More than 30% of the Italian companies are based in Lombardy, generating about 1/5 of the Italian GDP.
Italy has a very competitive labor market due to high-quality human capital and labor cost. Lombardy is a top-tier region for efficiency and productivity. The labor market in Italy has dramatically changed over the last decade, where a deep and wide labor reform has been implemented. Actually, the lawmaker has paid attention either to the introduction of new tools of flexibility for employers and corporations, either to introduce new tools for alternative dispute resolutions. Also, short-term contracts have been reformed, and now no reason must be specified anymore for a contract up to 36 months.
Lombardy is the Italian business heart, and Milan is the business capital. Milan is an international city, and more than 3,000 companies with main headquarters abroad have home in our city. Milan is the undisputed capital of fashion and design.
Italy is a global leader in the biotech industry. There are over 500 companies active in this sector, generating a turnover in excess of 10 billion euros and employing nearly 10,000 qualified workers. Lombardy is the first pharmaceutical region in Europe in terms of number of employees. Italy is the second biggest manufacturer of pharmas within the European territory, but is the one that has ranked the highest rate of export within the last 5 years. In addition, Italy has recently introduced a number of tax incentives and advantages for companies and individuals, such as an advantageous depreciation system for the investments on new productive assets, a new system of tax deduction and incentives for R&D investments, and a special tax regime for the usage of intellectual property. Finally, a new substitute tax regime for all sources of income located abroad has been introduced in favor of all high net worth individuals who decide to transfer their residency in Italy.
Milan is a city in transformation. Actually, Expo 2015 has triggered new relevant projects of development, reuse and new construction. Given the vitality of the construction sector in recent years, many investment funds are investing in real estate portfolio. I mean commercial, industrial and residential sectors.
In the last few years, Milan has been the fourth real estate market in the European Union, with 80% of investments coming from foreign investors outside of Europe. With an average rental price of 500 euros per square meter on an annual basis, Milan is way more competitive than London, Paris and Dublin. In recent years, new laws have been introduced in order to make it easier and faster to obtain a building permit. In fact, a lot of works can be started just in a few days simply by delivering to the local authorities all the required documents and then starting them a few days later.
Lombardy is innovation,
Efficiency,
Productivity in a reformed labor market.
Transformation.
Continuous growth.
The right place to be.